Preserve me, O God, my refuge sure. In you alone my soul is secure. You are my Lord, my highest good. Apart from you, no joy could stand. The saints of God delight my way. Your faithful ones, my joy each day. I will not run where idols call. Your holy name I will exalt. You are my portion and my cup, my life, my hope.